So like it says here, we're projecting to have a test on the 11th. Okay, it's a new month. Here's a review of stuff we've been doing, because some of us are going to have to do some corrections on our quiz. Right now your quiz grades are in. You just got to check Skyward. I don't have a printout today, so you can see what your grade was on that quiz. But believe me, if it's not passing, you'll know here in a minute, because I'm going to give it back to you to fix. Okay. But here's a reminder on how to do this stuff. This is called segment addition postulate. And I want everyone to hear me, so I don't want headphones in our ears, please. Please, please, please. All right, so right here, I have a segment with two parts, right? The left part, the right part. But it also tells me QS, which is all the way across. From Q to S is 15x plus 2. I always highly suggest that you label it so you can see the parts and the whole. Now, the way we set it up is the left part, 5x plus 2, plus the right part, which is 10. So part plus part equals the whole thing. From Q all the way to S is 15x plus 2. This should look familiar. If it doesn't, I hope you're hearing me explain this. The left thing plus the right thing equals the whole thing. Okay? So, if you can set it up, then we got to solve it. My first step is always to see if I can combine like terms. Do you see the 2 and the 10 are on the same side? They are like terms. We can combine them. So what is 2 plus 10? 12. Bring down 5x plus bring down equals 15x plus 2. Okay. Now, x is on both sides. Do I combine them or get rid of one? Okay. So when x is on both sides, you get rid of the smaller x. Which x is smaller, 5 or 15? 5 is smaller, so to get rid of that 5x, everyone looking over here? Okay, to get rid of 5x, hey, look over here. To get rid of a positive 5x, we subtract 5x on both sides. The 5x is canceled, and now I just have 12 equals 15 minus 5 is 10x, bring down plus 2. And now I have a two-step equation. Get this down? On the right side, I got to get rid of the 10 or the 2. Which one? The loner is 2, so to get rid of a 2 that's positive, what do? Subtract. So minus 2, minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10 equals 10x. And then to get rid of that 10 in front of x, we divide, right? So to get rid of a number in front of x, you divide. On the right side, it cancels, but what is 10 divided by 10? 1. And is that what we're looking for? Solve for x, yes. Okay. Now, Monday, you should have wrote map testing. Tuesday, you should have wrote sub. Wednesday, you should have put map testing. The front is really easy. You should have a warm-up for yesterday and then just now today. It should not be folded. But make sure your name is on it. If you were absent any day, write the word absent. Do not leave any blanks on your warm-up, otherwise you lose 20 points. Don't do that, okay? So again, if you're absent, write absent. Make sure your name's on it, and then pass them to the front. I'm going to pass out what you're doing today, which is like a crossword, word search. We're not doing